Hello from Biomass. In this video we will learn about insects, especially about living orders of insects. According to the classification of Dr. Augustus Daniel Ims, class Insecta is a division under phylum Arthropoda and subphylum Uniramia. So, who belongs under the class Insecta or Hexapoda? Their body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Head is divisible by fusion of 6 segments. Presence of 2 antennae. Thorax is subdivided into pro, meso and metathorax. A pair of legs emerged from every thoracic segments, so termed as hexapoda. Presence of 2 pairs of wings. Presence of simple and compound eyes. Among those insects few are devoid of wings, so they are termed as Apterygota or belongs to subclass Entognatha. Remaining representatives have wings, metamorphosis is visible and also bear mouthparts which are not sunk into pouch. Malpighian tubules are present as their excretory organs. Pterygotes show both complete and incomplete metamorphosis. Under complete metamorphosis life stages are eggs, larva or caterpillar, pupa and adult. In case of incomplete metamorphosis life stages are egg, nymph and adult. Nymphs are miniature forms of the adults but devoid of wings and reproductive organs. Representative of class Orthoptera are grasshoppers, locusts, crickets, katydids, etc. Elongated body shape and enlarges hind legs are adapted for jumping. Well-developed broad head bears compound eyes and 1 to 3 ocelli. Mouthparts are adapted for biting or chewing type. Elongated antennae are multisegmented, filiform. Shield-like pronotum covered the prothorax. Forewings are leathery, but hind wings are folded in longitudinal pleats beneath tegmina. Abdomen is made up of 8 to 9 annular segments. Terminal segments are reduced. Unsegmented cerci well-developed, highly modified ovipositor is formed at the terminal end. Orthopteran insects with a row of pegs on their hind femora, which they rub against the edge of their front wings, produce a high-pitched sound. Male crickets produce their distinctive chirping sound by stridulation. They rub serrated structures on one of their forewings to another one, which is harder with sharp edge. It acts as scraper. Now let us know about order Dictyoptera. Representatives are mantis and roaches. They have highly movable head, biting or chewing mouthparts, large, filiform segmented antenna, and well-developed compound eyes. Pronotum is large. Nymph stage is present in their life. Legs are raptorial in case of mantids, cursorial or running in case of cockroaches. Coxa is large with 5 tarsi. Forewings modified into thick tegmina. A pair of style is present on 9th abdominal star night. Eggs are laid in Uthika. Mantis female shows sexual cannibalism, which providing vital nutrition, leading to increased egg production and heavier egg cases. For the male, it can increase his reproductive success by ensuring more of his genetic material is passed on, as headless males continue mating and females who eat their mates produce more offspring. It is thought that sexual cannibalism also increases the duration of the mating act, which allows for more thorough fertilization. Do you know about Blatta orientalis mother tincture? This anti-anaphylactic, anti-asthmatic homeopathy medicine is prepared from the Indian cockroach. Spermatheca is present in female reproductive system to store male gametes to manage reproduction. Ootheca is the protective, hard-cased egg capsule or egg case produced by a female cockroach containing fertilized eggs. Formed by collateral glands secreting protein and tanning agents, the ootheca shields the developing young from harsh conditions and predators. Order Anoplura. All are flat-bodied ectoparasite with conical head which bears 3 to 5 segmented antennae. Mouth parts are piercing and sucking type. Ocelli is absent. Thoracic segments are indistinct. Legs are clinging type. Cerci absent. Unsegmented tarsi having single powerful claw for grasping. All kind of bugs like aphids, whiteflies, scale insects are belongs to order Hemiptera. All have 2 pair of wings, anterior one is harder than posterior. Head is directed downwards, so hypognathous. In few cases prognathouse also found, that is a head where the mouth parts are directed forward, and the head's long axis is horizontal, aligning with the long axis of the body. Stylet bristle-like modified mandible and maxilla. Well-developed labial rostrum pronatum is present. Generally all are pests of several agricultural crops. Most vibrant beautifully colored insect order is Lepidoptera. Entire body is covered with broad chitin-based multilayered scales. Mandibles are vestigial or absent. Mouth parts as sucking type. Compound eyes are well developed. 2 pair of wings. Forewing is larger than hindwings. Tarsi 5 segmented. Larvae or caterpillars bear 8 pairs of limbs. Dipterans are parasitic vectors. They have piercing sucking like in mosquito and sponging lapping mouthparts like in housefly. Single pair of membranous wings show reduced venation. Hind wings reduced to halteres useful for stability and balance. Tarsi 5 segmented. Labium expanded in fleshy lobes. Displayed complete metamorphosis. Wingless fleas belongs to order Siphonaptera. Body is laterally compressed. Integument is highly sclerotized. Head and thorax closely associated bear combs formed by rows of spines on the latero-ventral border of head. Mouthparts piercing and sucking type. They are bloodsuckers. Antennae is very small and segmented in males. Eyes are absent. Hind legs are strong, adapted for gliding, jumping, leaping. Entire body is covered with backwardly inclined spines and bristles. Thorax is free of segments. Larvae are blind anapodans. Representatives of the order Hymenoptera are wasp, ant, and bees. They possess biting or lapping or sucking mouthparts. Well-developed compound eyes. With 3 dorsal ocelli. They possess 2 pairs of membranous wings. Hind wings are smaller, interlocked with forewings by hooklets. Eusocialism, caste division is common among them, but not all species maintained it. Showing complete metamorphosis. Males are haploid. Larva apodous. Coleopterans are beetles and weevils. It is the largest order in the class Insecta. As adults, most beetles have a hard, dense exoskeleton that covers and protects most of their body surface. The front wings, known as elytra, are just as hard as the rest of the exoskeleton. They fold down over the abdomen and serve as protective covers for the large, membranous hind wings. At rest, both elytra meet along the middle of the back, forming a straight line that is probably the most distinctive characteristics of the order. Both larvae and adults have strong mandibulate biting mouthparts. Prothorax large mesothorax is reduced. Legs are cursorial type, adapted for swimming, jumping, digging. There are even a few parasitic beetles. Some are internal parasites of other insects, some invade the nests of ants or termites, and some are external parasites of mammals. They are considered major pests of agricultural plants and stored products.